Pursuing a better life is the common dream of the people around the world. Yutong is dedicated to the sustainable development of the global public transport and making a better travel. Yutong is a large-scaled enterprise mainly specialized in the bus business and also covers areas of construction machinery, special vehicles, and other investment business. It has the largest bus manufacturing base in the world, and its full product lineup covers various segment markets. With its sales network expanding to 6 global regions, Yutong has become the world's major bus and coach supplier. Yutong guides the design and development of the bus product with science and technology. Through a number of active and passive safety systems, we live up to our commitment to the safety. With the internationally advanced test rig for all-terrain simulation of whole vehicles and chassis, cathodic electrocoating production lines, fully automated painting and welding processes, and strict quality inspection system, the reliability and durability of products are ensured. Through the research of ergonomics, air conditioning, noises, and other related aspects, we concern the ride experience of drivers and passengers. With the self-development thermal management system of engines, recontrol system, intelligent operational system, self-driving technology, and so on, Yutong provides you with energy-saving and smart value. We continue to explore the solutions of new energy buses and have fully grasped the core technologies of new energy buses, such as matching optimization, system integration, and control. Yutong has also successfully developed a variety of hybrid and full electric bus products and innovatively proposed systematic solutions of full electric buses covering products, delivery, after sales, financing, operating management, and so on. Moreover, it has rich operating experience at home and abroad, and its sales volume of full electric buses ranked first in the world. Adapting to the transport development needs of different countries, Yutong has achieved KD cooperation in more than 10 countries and regions. It can provide integrated KD solutions such as factory planning, product design, and so on, actively promoting the development of local bus industry and the employment. We work out efficient, quick, and safe transport solutions based on customers' needs, solve issues like customs clearance and vehicle inspection in time, and ensure the timely delivery of products, enabling you to obtain operating profit as early as possible. In order to guarantee your smooth operation, we also provide you with trusted service. The global service network, high-efficient parts distribution mechanism, professional service team, and systematic service training make your operation free of worries. Adhering to the philosophy of customer orientation, Yutong has a deep understanding of customers' needs and provides adaptive solutions. Thanks to the efforts on exceeding people's expectations over and over again, Yutong is promoting to make our dream come true. In China, Yutong always leads and achieves the truly valuable changes. Through rigorous development of the overseas market, we are trying to meet the anticipation of the whole world on the future transport. When a Yutong bus is running in different places of the world, it represents not merely a vehicle, but rather the trust in Yutong by customers from around the world. In the future, we will continue to move forward and endeavor to improve your travel experience with the consistently improved products and service solutions.